In a happy green forest, there lived a naughty little explorer named Meera.
The flies! Ooh, butterfly, let's catch it! Whoa! My shoe is untied. That was funny. Adventure time! I wonder what I'll find today. Wow, a tiny house. Is it a treasure house? Okay, time to clean. Ooh, a bucket of water. Yay! Oh, it's heavy mess. Oh, splashy. But it's a game now. Yay! So clean, so quiet, so bold. Let's make it fun. Time for some honey. Oops, sticky situation. Bear, back! I made soup! Hi, surprise party? Hi, surprise party? Wait, I'll help. I'm sorry, I spilled it.
Again? Oh, kiddo. Ugh.
I'll clean it up.
All right, just be careful.
Cleaning with water. Careful, it's spilling.
Oops, sorry.
The floor is getting all wet.
It's okay. Pause. We'll clean it. Wha?
Okay, thanks. I wanted to help.
I know you did. And that makes you very brave. See? You have to scrub in circles.
Oh, like this.
That's it. You're doing great. Go on, Meera. You can do it.
Okay, I'll be really careful. Wiping all the crumbs away.
That's my girl. Keep going. Perfect. Thumbs up.
Cleaning is hard work. Next time we make fun and clean.
And that's how Meera learned that helping can be fun.
Hey everyone! Welcome to Smart Kids Live! Please give us a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And subscribe for more fun. Thanks for watching!